So here are some things that have happened at Polar Park the last days. So we saw the last of the sun. We are going into a dark period now where we only will have daylight. Frost here, he enjoys snow. The Arctic foxes, they have themselves a tug of war with some meat. They are extremely cute, but not so smart. Our bears, they are going in hibernation. They are a little late. They usually go around in October, but we got the snow very late this year. But as you can see, Pepper, he is very sleepy, just hanging. Brage, he is a very handsome guy and he knows it. He's just chilling out in the snow now. We will have a wolf howling. Frost got himself a dinner. He usually gets it every day, of course, but now he is eating some goat and he loves it. Marit found herself some very good smell, so she is doing a scent roll. She wants to have the smell on herself, so that's just what she does now. And last but not least, I saw the most crazy northern lights I have ever seen in my entire life. It was crazy.